Hello everyone. The former SAA board chairperson Dudumini and former Bosasa executive Trevor Matsenjwa have been released on 10,000 bail each. The pair was arrested on Friday morning and she made a brief appearance in Richards Bay Magistrates Court on Friday and corruption charges. According to the NPA's investigating directorate, the matter relates to payment amounting to 300,000 rands. The spokesperson Sindisiwe Sobokwa said, during the tenure of Mieni as chairperson of the SAA, she had a legal duty to disclose her interest in terms of the SAA conflict of interest policy, which we allege she failed to do so. Mieni thus stands accused of corruption for receiving gratification from Bosa's subsidiary Sondolo IT offered by Trevor Matsenjwa, the company's former director. She said, according to Sobeka, Mieni received security upgrades at her Richards Bay premises between May 2014 to March 2015 to the value of 200,000 rands. She is further accused of benefiting from hotel accommodation and travel expenses of over 107,000 rands for her and persons close to her from Bosasa and facilitated by Blake Travels between May 2014 and March 2015. During her appearance before the state capture inquiry, Mieni refused to respond to allegations of fraud and corruption against her, saying she did not want to incriminate herself. Nonetheless, Judge Raymond Zondo recommended further investigation to her. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.